Hey, today I'm going to tell you about my favorite email marketing service. After testing a huge number of programs in this category, I found the best option that worked perfectly for me. I have been making over $18,000 a month with this service, and I have been using it for 4 years now. It offers a simpler and more reliable marketing interface for users. In this short video, I will reveal to you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the category of email marketing services. It's about Email Octopus. I will leave the link to the official website under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
Email Octopus is a low-cost email marketing platform that offers high deliverability, customizable reports, and the ability to add email sequences, import contacts, and integrate with forms. With segmentation, users can create targeted email campaigns based on the customer data that matters most to their business. Their set of responsive templates allows you to create a powerful, flawless campaign in minutes, or you can use a drag-and-drop editor to create beautiful emails that look great on all devices. For Amazon SES users, they also offer a Connect plan with unlimited emails per month and prices that scale based on your business without sacrificing deliverability or core functionality. Email Octopus is an email marketing software solution that helps businesses and organizations deliver more effective email campaigns and promotions to customers. The software allows users to create, automate, and bulk email a specific target audience. The software can also be integrated with various applications through Zapier to ensure consistency in your marketing campaigns. The software is useful for many emerging firms that want to ensure that their marketing campaigns are not costly, but are as effective as the leading vendors in the market. Email Octopus also offers Amazon SES integration via a Connect option. Email Octopus works just like your regular email marketing software. However, it does offer the service at a fraction of the cost. The Campaign tab in the dashboard allows users to modify their campaign messages before sending it to their subscribers. Email Octopus shows data and analytics to users immediately after submitting a campaign. This includes the click and open rates for their current and past campaigns. Email Octopus enables business campaign efficiency by removing unsubscribes from the list of email recipients. In addition, Email Octopus integrates with other software service providers through Zapier integration. Email Octopus provides free templates that are creatively and professionally designed to reduce the potential for errors in every small campaign. Software features include real-time analytics during the campaign, provides data on clicks, bounces, unsubscriptions, and open emails, which are displayed for the user 30 minutes after the campaign is launched. Hosted email collection forms allow users to collect targeted emails without the hassle of manual coding. Unlimited emails to targeted recipients allows companies to manage campaign reach without regard to the cost of the email sent. Technical and customer support encourages users to focus solely on the campaign and not on the technical side of the issue. A dedicated support team also helps determine which campaigns will work. Existing subscribers are easily imported into the system using software. Campaign managers do not need to manually re-register these users. Automatic campaign management ensures there are no complaints, bounces, or unsubscriptions for every promotional email. Using the API, Email Octopus can be easily integrated into the company's website. This helps maintain and grow your subscriber list. Email Octopus also allows users to use Amazon SES if they wish to route their emails through an SES account. Responsive email templates in the software also allow marketers to launch campaigns without worrying about content performance. This predefined content can be changed according to the wishes of the user and the demographic characteristics of the target market. Software users gain insight into the effectiveness of their campaigns. The program shows data on clicks, openings, and unsubscribes from their marketing content via email. In addition, the program also handles negative campaign results. Cancellations, unsubscriptions, and even complaints are automatically handled in the software. The listings are constantly updated and updated to make future marketing plans more efficient and cost-effective. By providing automated and customizable multilingual forms, users are able to grow their subscriber list without any manual steps. The software also improves service levels by filtering out bounces and unsubscribes. The program provides a free service of 62,000 letters the company sends per month. Each starter pack also offers a $0 service including campaign-only marketing and basic email support. However, the emails do indicate their brand. The cost of the plans depends on the number of subscribers and who the email will be sent to. The Pro plan starts at $20 per month with 5,000 subscribers and 50,000 emails per month. This plan can be scaled up to more if your business needs more. All packages include campaigns and process automation, statistical reporting, Email Octopus branding, and priority email support. Email Octopus also offers a Connect option that allows users to send emails through their Amazon SES account. Connect Starter is free and provides up to 2,500 subscribers, basic email support, and branding. Connect Pro starts at $19 per month and offers unlimited emails, priority support, and pricing that depends on your business needs. Email Octopus offers brands and businesses an easy-to-use and cheaper email marketing alternative for their email marketing campaigns. Email Octopus offers a simpler and more reliable marketing interface for users who have difficulty with the technical side of advertising. Creating and sending out HTML emails is easy with the Email Octopus control panel. This allows users to upload their content to the system without any hassle. With its pricing and easy-to-use interface, Email Octopus is useful for many businesses looking to engage in online marketing and for small businesses that don't have the capital and technical expertise to do direct marketing.